Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, today we'll be making a neem, rosemary and cloves hair growth oil. This is such a simple and effective hair growth oil because it consists of just a few really potent ingredients. You're going to need the following ingredients. You're going to need neem powder, rosemary leaves, fresh or dried can be used, and you're going to need cloves. The carrier oil of choice is extra virgin olive oil. However, you can use the substitutes of coconut oil or avocado oil. Now, let's get started. The neem plant is derived from the neem tree, which primarily grows in India. It is often known as the wonder plant and has been widely used in traditional medicine. Neem is known to have regenerative properties that support healthy cell division, stimulate hair follicle growth, and function. It also helps in restoring hair thinning caused by pollution, stress, or medication. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. It also protects the hair from damage and hair loss. Now the next ingredient is cloves. Guys, cloves is a game changer. This has honestly been a game changer in our hair routine. Cloves contains a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. It also has antifungal and anti-inflammatory purposes, which help to unclog blocked pores that lead to dandruff. These three ingredients are ancient Ayurvedic products, popularly known to promote hair growth. We usually combine these ingredients when we're making our usual hair mask or treatments, and after getting such great results from it, we got inspired to make it into a hair oil. The neem, rosemary and cloves combination do not just promote hair growth, but they actually strengthen the hair follicles, they reduce hair fall, and they protect the hair from external damage. This is due to the eugenol in cloves and the restorative properties found in neem. It makes it super effective once combined, and they all serve as strengthening and restorative agents for the hair. Once we took out our box braids earlier this year, we seriously struggled with dry scalp and thinner edges. However, since then, we've consistently been using these ingredients as a hair mask and also as a hair oil, and that has completely transformed our edges. This oil is really potent for hair growth, but also good for treating scalp issues. This oil helps stop hair breakage, it stimulates dead hair follicles, it strengthens your hair strands, it regrows thinning hairlines, it fills in bald patches, and it moisturizes your hair while strengthening your hair strands. The application is very simple. You can use this oil every 2 to 3 days by gently massaging it into your scalp, and it also can be used on the body of your hair to seal your ends. So guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this hair oil to enhance your hair growth. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.